In the future, when I evolve with my makeup, I'm gonna look back at this and throw out. Hey y'all, it's your girl Itschaybabii. So I'm gonna get right into the video. So I'm gonna be starting off with the Ulta Beauty HD Soft Focus Liquid Foundation. The only thing I don't like about it is too liquidy. So I'm gonna be using just a regular LA Girl brow pencil. It's in the shade dark brown, and I'm gonna do my duty booty. So I'm gonna look like a mess. So what I'm gonna do is conceal now because I look like the lady with the unibrow. I'm gonna be using the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. This is in the color Golden Tan. If you guys want an eyebrow tutorial, I have one on my YouTube channel. I can drop a link below in the description, or I can put it in the end slate. So yeah. I'm gonna be using the All Day Plus All Night Setting Spray. You know, it costs $5. I'm gonna spray it on my beauty blender. It squirted everywhere. So I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible contour stick. This is in the shade. It's in the shade Chestnut, number 411. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Like, this stick is nice and creamy. I'm going to take my this brush, I don't know what it's called, and blend. Blending is like one of the most important things. If your makeup's not blended, then you're gonna look trash, period. Now I'm going to take my beauty blender again and use whatever I had in that to blend it out better. So after I contour, I'm going to, what should I do? My eyeshadow. I'm going to take this e.l.f. palette, and the colors I'm going to be using that I've used before is this brown right here, this dark brown for the crease, this for the lid, and I'll probably throw in this mustard yellow. So yeah, let's get started with that. I'm going to use this brush, this little eyeshadow brush with the crease, because this is more thick, I mean a tough brush, so I think it will get the crease way better. So I think I'm gonna have to take a darker color. So I'm gonna take this really deep brown right here. So after I get this glamorous look, I think I want to shimmer this up a little more. So this Well, all of the things fell out because, you know, sensitive and all that thing. So I'm going to take this color right here and put it a little bit in the center with my fingertip. Oh wow. I'm going to continue. I'm going to put the same color that was in the center right here. But yeah, and another thing I should do is put some in the top of my brow. I think I'm gonna do eyeliner and lashes. So what I'm gonna do is put a little bit of mascara on. What I'm gonna be using is this the Essence Volume Stylist, you know. For the lash extension mascara, it actually has blue fibers in it to make your eyelashes. What I'm gonna do is put on lashes. It's gonna make everything look better, so. The Allure and Talia lashes, Lady T is the kind, because there's different kinds of these ones. This one's actually really good. The lashes falling inside the box, so. It just sounds so stupid. See the difference that it makes eyelashes? So this is what the eyelashes look, and I'm going to do the other eye. In the future, when I evolve with my makeup, I'm going to look back at this and throw up. So after I got the lashes on, this is how it looks so far. So the next thing I'm going to do is blush. So I take this angled big bulky brush, I don't know what it is. I take this lipstick. Take the lipstick, go like this on the brush. But I go lightly, so it won't OD. What else? Put a little too much. And for the highlight, I'm going to be using the True Complexion Cream Contour Palette, the light to medium. I'm not using the browns or whatever. I'm just gonna use the gold with my fingers, because using a brush, it applies too streaky and it blends better with different. Oh, look at that. Now what I'm going to do is take the same lipstick, lipstick I use for my cheeks and dab a little bit. To give it some color. So I'm going to use the Color Mate lip gloss, costs $1, and this is actually really good. It smells like bubblegum. So I think I'm done. This is the finished look, and I hope you guys like it. This is not only like a New Year's look. I'm only saying that because it's New Year's Eve. This is gonna be a night look, a day look. Alright, so this is the end of the video. I hope you like this makeup look. If you don't like it, then you can just thumbs it down, because I can always take some criticism to better my videos. So you can comment whatever you would like to see, like anything, because I take any ideas and put it to the test. But anyways, this is my finished look, and I hope you liked it. Like, subscribe if you want, and have a beautiful New Year's. Ciao. I know, let me stop. I hate the movie stuff. Bye.